investors, and now nandito tayo ulit sa Covent Garden, located here in Santa Mesa, Manila. Ngayon naman i-check natin yung 2-bedroom by level, 120 square meter. Tara, check natin sa loob. Upon entering the unit, this is living and dining area na natin. Ito sa left side is yung ating kitchen fixtures. Bali sa kitchen area natin, kasama na po namin ito yung over and under counter cabinets. Then yung countertop po is granite with sink and faucet. Then sa ilalim po niyan is may nakabang na po na grease trap. And of course, provision space for our range hood. And may nakaabang na po dyan na exhaust. Then itong space is for our induction cooker. And dito naman po is yung ating utility or maids room. Bali may sarili na rin po yung toilet area. Then provision space for washing machine. Then dito sa ating first floor is mayroon siyang common toilet. And bali kasama na dyan yung lavatory and bowl. And this unit nga po pala is meron siyang patio or balcony. And ngayon naman, nakit tayo dito sa second floor. Pagkakit natin sa second floor, nasa left side po yung toilet and bath natin. This toilet area naman is meron siyang lavatory, bowl, and naka-rain type shower na po. Then punta tayo sa ating first bedroom. Sa first bedroom is may lahat ng space na for air condition. And dito pwede natin ilagay yung walk-in closet or cabinets. Then ang view nitong unit na to is Santa Mesa proper and Makati and Ortigas CBD. Then check naman natin yung size ng second bedroom. This bedroom po is manatawag nating master's bedroom. Very spacious siya ulit, then may provision space for air condition. And of course, itong bedroom na to is may sarili siyang toilet and bath. Then same deliverables lang po. May lavatory, bowl, and naka-rain tape shower po ulit tayo. If you want to know more about the details of Covent Garden here in Santa Mesa, Manila, please message the contact info on your screen and set an appointment with me. Thank you!